In stock and ready for delivery, Ideal Pase and DTM Packaging bring you industry-leading filling solutions with little to no weight. From net weight pint to pail, portable filling machines to drum and tote fillers, to high-accuracy flow meter systems, these machines are built to perform and available now. The Ideal Pase ME Series 2-head net weight filler is engineered for precision and flexibility. Featuring semi-automatic operation and a heavy-duty friction roller closer, it's the ideal solution for pint to pails and containers demanding accurate fills and secure closures. For fully automated drum and tote filling, the Ideal Pase gantry-style system delivers unmatched performance. With automatic bung detection and removal, precise automatic lance positioning, automatic high-accuracy filling, and auto bung reinstallation, this is true hands-free high-accuracy and operator-safe drum and tote filling. Need operator flexibility with automation where it counts? The Ideal Pase pivot-style semi-automatic filler features manual lance positioning with a fully automated fill sequence, perfect for batch versatility and precise net weight filling of drums and totes. From DTM Packaging, the PureFill 1500 indexing-style flow meter filler. Engineered for speed, precision, cleanliness, and your budget, with fast, low-cost product and container changeovers, the DTM Model 1500 is ideal for food, personal care, home care, nutraceutical, and chemical applications where accuracy and flexibility are critical. The DTM PureFill 2000 walking beam-style filler takes precision even further. The industry's fastest inline flow meter filling solution, with higher speed walking beam nozzle placement, hygienic filling for food, personal care, OTC pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and chemical applications where speed, accuracy, and cleanliness matter most. Tired of waiting months for your next filler? We get it. Production delays cost more than time, they cost momentum. That's why Ideal Pase and DTM packaging machines are in stock and ready to ship. No backlog, no bottlenecks, just proven performance, delivered fast. Cut the lead time, jumpstart your line. Get a quote today and keep your operation moving forward with confidence. Contact an Ideal Pase or DTM representative and we'll help you get the machine you need, fast.